I added gelatin to the boiling milk and the result was incredible. In a glass bowl, add 40 grams of passion fruit gelatin and 200 milliliters of hot water. Stir well until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Now, heat 500 milliliters of milk in a saucepan until it starts to rise. Don't let the pan out of your sight, otherwise the milk will want to have a party outside. Pour the boiled milk into the same bowl as the gelatin and mix everything gently. Now add 400 grams of condensed milk. Yes, you heard right, the generous amount that will make everything even sweeter and creamier. Mix well. To give it that final touch, add 200 grams of cream. Mix everything again until it's smooth and irresistible. Your cream is almost ready to shine. Transfer to a serving dish and refrigerate for 4 hours. Use this time to distract yourself. And that's it. Our gelatin dessert with hot milk is ready. See how simple it is, how quick it is, and how few ingredients it takes. If you loved this recipe as much as I did, don't forget to like the video and follow our page for more tips and delights. Bon appetit and see you next time.